Alright guys, sorry this is part 2. Last time I had to delete the other video I was about to post. Just lock the door. It's okay. Alright, anyways, I had to delete that other video because I think it's illegal to point a laser out at the neighbors. I don't know. Because last time that happened, we got the cops called on. This is about 3 years ago. We got the neighbors right there called the police on us. Because they thought there was a weapon being pointed at them. They were scared. That's why I'm telling them to stop that so it doesn't happen again. And he was over here pointing it at houses. I'm like, Jay, stop it. You know, that's how he is. Doesn't listen. Anyways, I had to stop recording. Whoa, what the heck? They're fireworks. Why are there fireworks? I saw a firework over there. Well, it is getting close to that month. I literally saw a firework. I don't know. That was a big firework. Why was there a firework? I don't know, guys. Like, it's confusing. People start popping them in June, and they'll continue all the way until August. So I'll be hearing a lot of fireworks. It's that time of the year, though. Or 4th of July, you know. That's my favorite holiday. I love Independence. I know Christmas is most of y'all's favorite, but I like 4th of July because I like blowing up stuff. I just love it. I enjoy it. Except last year, it was hard to enjoy because the firework fell over and exploded right next to my feet, and it burned me so bad. I'm just surprised, like, it was a minor injury. Oh, those are frogs. Those are frogs. Those are not bugs. Those are frogs. I heard them. Okay, yeah, I get it. Yes, there are frogs in Lubbock, but that usually when it rains a lot. This is this year we got the 9th wettest May in Lubbock history. I saw the KCV, I was like, what? So it's a very... Our second wettest was in 2015, which I was alive for that. The first wettest was in 1941, and I was not alive for that one. That month we got over 15 inches of rain. This month we've gotten over 5 inches. I know, it's not a lot like other places. But, again, like, we only get 14 inches of rain on average a year. So not a lot. I'm gonna be honest about that. That is not a lot of rain. So now I'm just realizing those are actually frogs. Yes, we used to have frogs in our yard too. They sometimes, when the pond overflows, they will come over here. They will roam across the streets, get into everybody's yard. Usually yards with bushes like this. So yeah, we're right now, kind of stressed out, and me just standing here, I'm sweating now because of all this humidity. It is sprinkling a little bit, just not too much. Severe thunderstorm warning will be remaining until what time is it? It'll be remaining until 11:45. That's a long time. That's over an hour. It's like, okay. Oh, it's less. It's almost an hour long. It's almost 11 o'clock. I shouldn't be out here because, again, it is very dangerous right now, especially because, you know, like I said before, Lubbock is one of the most dangerous cities in the United States. It's not a safe place to live. But there's the only bad... The schools here are amazing. The schools and opportunity here is good. But the safety rate is not too good. You know, there are cops everywhere in Lubbock. A lot of people here, you'll see cops everywhere. But I just don't know why. Why There's cops everywhere. Why is the safety rate so low? Don't know. Is that a shelf cloud right there? That is a weird looking shelf cloud. I don't know. Whatever the heck that is, I don't know. All I can say is that this storm is taking forever to get here. No, it is not. It's only been 5 minutes. Best to go get my freaking iPad. Really? They're pointing a laser at the wall. Alright. I just have to grab my iPad. Yeah. Of course he isn't. I'm not even gonna do anything about it. Because he doesn't listen. Even he doesn't listen to the parents. So, kind of the problem. So he won't listen. Doesn't matter. Parents, grandparents, doesn't listen. Heavy rain and thunderstorm starting in 1 minute. That's all I need to know. What?
Can I put the gun? Can I put the gun?
That's mine. Just don't shine it out the window.
No, it's mine. Look.
Jace. So Jace, I realize those were not tropical bugs. Those are frogs.
What?
Yep.
You won't. Are you sure that's a frog?
Yep.
You look. How do you know?
I heard one in the neighbor's yard across the street. Where?
Did you get it?
No. I heard it though. Oh my God. Another crazy shelf cloud. Oh my God. Okay, you know what channel I really like? I've gotten into it this year. Like, I've been watching the Kid Behind the Camera, which is like Angry Grandpa, you know. Oh my gosh, I really love that channel. I'm like obsessed with it now. I can't stop watching it. I've been watching that all day today. No, I've just been watching it all day. Like, I'm like, oh my God, I love this channel. I just want to move to Charleston and just meet them. Because, you know, I just really like their channel so much. I'm just addicted to it now. I'm like, oh my God, I just love this channel. You know what? R.I.P. Angry Grandpa. I did say 19, I forgot. He died 3 years ago, 2017. Dude, that's a fast moving shelf cloud right there. Just, you know, this video will be quicker than the last one. I gotta get Cameron out here. Cameron? Cameron, you should look at this shelf cloud. Really? Yes, this looks insane. It looks crazier than the last one.
How do I
Jump off the bed.
No!
That's how you get off. Look at this one. It's moving a lot faster. Looks the same. Oh, well, it kind of does actually, right? Still though, it looks crazy. Everything's all getting wet now.
There's a lot of frogs in Houston.
Yeah. There's a lot of frogs out here right now. Oh.
Can you go find one?
No, I'm not gonna go across the street.
Alright.
Neighbors will think I'm crazy. They'll go, what the heck are you doing? Bug, looking for frogs. Bug, you wanna chase me like that? I'll kill you. So don't even try. No, I was taking shelter. That bug right here. keeps moving. Ugh. I hate these books. Summer. Oh shoot, I forgot our garage. It's like the hot spot for June bugs. There are so many June bugs in our garage at night. Sometimes they go flying at you. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. It's blowing in the porch. I have to go inside. Well, no, back here. Hello. Dude, this is a crazy looking storm. You come check it out real quick?
Yeah, I bought my car.
Look at this. Okay, never mind. Don't come. The wind, it's about to get really bad. Be careful, there's a bug right next to your foot.
I'm gonna go with the
Well, look at the cloud. Look at the way it's built. No, never mind. Come on, Jojo.
It's going! It's away!
Shut up. I don't want my mom to send you home. Well, she can't anymore, but still, I don't want her to get mad.
You dare me to dump this in the trash?
No.
Why?
Do you want the popcorn?
No, you want it?
Well, if you don't, then just go put it above the electric fireplace.
Do that. I'll put it with Jace can't get it.
He's trying to eat it?
No, he won't let me play with the goddamn laser gun. So now I'm gonna get the popcorn.
Okay.
Why?
Whoa. Oh, right here, there's a shelf cloud right there, and unlucky, look right there, there's heavy rain. It's coming in. This is the fastest moving storm I've ever seen in my life. I've never. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! It's so windy. It's so windy. It's all blowing in my face. Hey, look, the rain stopped. Just kidding. It literally just stopped for a second. And I walked back out. It's like, oh, where the heck did that bug go? Where did the bug go? Did it blow away? Where did it go? Did that thing really just disappear? That bug literally just disappeared. What the heck? I don't know. I guess it blew away, I don't know. I have no idea where the heck it went. I'm about to have to go inside because all this rain. Wait, is it going into the porch still? Yeah, it is. I'm excited. I know where this bug went. And it's a poisonous bug, so I gotta go. There's noise. Hey, I'm turning off the light. That's what sailor word is. No, I can't say the word. Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be here. Yeah, the next time Jojo comes home tonight, I'm gonna get Jace out of the living room. He's not gonna stand. He's ruining it for Jojo. Me and Jojo were trying to have fun. No, he's trying to hang out with Cameron now, but he's not enjoying it because Jace is bothering him. It's like he's being bossy. He's like, no, you can't touch that. You can't touch this. He's not letting him eat the popcorn, I think. I don't know. Just being a jerk. Just being a brat. thought that was a bug, but that was a raindrop. I have no idea where the bug went. Dude, it's so windy. Yeah, it's getting super windy. Oh no, the bugs are trying to get in here because they're taking shelter, but I'm like, I don't want any bugs in here. I'm gonna kill them all. Oh wait. Alright, relax. No. I step on it. Oh, there it is. How did it end up way over there? What the frick? It just disappeared. Oh, it's way under there. Well, have fun taking shelter in that part. It blew away. That's probably how it ended up in the bushes. Did he do that to you?
What?
Did Jace prank you?
No.
Why did you do?
I was putting the laser trying to put it back in, and you were about to come out.
Yeah. He's being an idiot.
I know. Can you stop?
Dude,
He-
I'm not doing anything to you.
He hasn't enjoyed anything about it so
Yeah.
far.
He's a joke.
He really is. He hasn't enjoyed the sleepover.
Jace keeps ruining it.
I'm not doing anything.
Come on, let's go outside.
Jesus.
Yeah, I'll come over here. That bug that I was talking about blew away. Yes, it blew in the bushes and then now it's flooded in there. It's stuck in there in the crack. I saw it come out of the bushes and now it's under there. He has ruined it.
Yeah, he has.
I know. I knew this was gonna happen. That's why I don't ever bring you over.
I know. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my phone.
Are you coming back out?
Yeah.
Alright. When it gets bad, you'll go inside? Alright. Yeah. He has ruined it. I don't know. Just trying to over here trying to record some weather and he's over here making my friend mad. It's like why can't he just stop making my friend mad? It's annoying. Like my friend is over here trying to mind his own. Jojo was over here trying to mind his own business, and he's coming over here pointing lasers in his face. Like it's like, get away from
I'm
him.
just trying to play with the laser and he's over here going to the dog.
Yeah, do it. He's doing
like-
this to the dog. He's like covering their faces up.
Yeah, covering his whole face.
It's like he just needs to stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just gotta do that. It didn't lock. That's just so the dogs don't get out. Because the dogs can press down on the handle. It's like a dog lock.
Oh.
When I feel like the bad part is gonna answer this. I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Are you going in? What? Oh,
Oh, there it is.
are you going in?
Yeah.
Alright, see you later. In a minute, I bet. It is gonna rain again at 1 a.m. Another round. It won't be thunderstorm, it'll just be normal, like heavy rain with no thunder. Probably distant thunder from this storm, because right when this storm ends, the other part's gonna start like 15 minutes later. So I won't be able to stay up for that next one because it ends at 2 o'clock. And my plan wasn't to stay up wasn't to stay up until this late, but Yeah, I decided I will. And the plan was for Jace to stay away from JoJo, so Jace doesn't make JoJo mad, but that's not gonna happen because Jace doesn't ever listen. Oh, JoJo's right there. I didn't realize JoJo's standing there. Yeah. Oh, there's the bug! Little stupid bug. I'm gonna blow you away. I'm gonna fling you away. I turned you upside down. You can't get back up.
Decided to make a TikTok with you on
There, like I put the bug way up there.
dog walk on.
Now the bug's too scared to walk in the rain, so it's trapped in there. Yeah, that's why I had this stick. Oh wait, now it's walking back towards us. Oh well. It's gonna flood in here, so it will drown.
Yeah. You wanna make a TikTok?
Yeah, sure. Sorry, I thought I saw the lights flash, but that was your fault.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just so tired, my eyes are playing with me, but I'm trying to stay up.
Yeah.
So what time do you stay up until?
Well, as long as I pass, whenever I pass out. Really.
Alright, yeah.
I'll
This time we're not bringing out toys and stuff like that.
Yeah, okay,
Actually, no, we got rid of most of our stuff.
that was the one-time thing.
Either way, you can't. We got rid of all of our Legos because we don't play with them anymore.
Oh, you should give them to me. I was thinking about buying some Legos.
Alright.
I was gonna buy some Legos. It's like, man, I need a hobby. What about Legos? I could do Legos.
Yeah?
Legos are long, they're boring, and you do it and you suffer for 12 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
A good time to pass.
Let's go.
It's a good way to pass some time, guys. So go get some Legos.
Yeah.
Let me go look. Is this still coming? This is a bigger storm than I thought. It's still coming.
What you got, guys?
It's still trying to get here.
How are you not wet? Are you wet? Oh, you wet.
Yeah, I am. But this shirt dries up quick.
Yeah.
It's from Urban Legends.
Whoa!
Did you see that lightning? Did I catch that lightning strike on camera? I don't know. Was that even a lightning strike? I don't know. That's some quiet, relaxing better. Yeah, I'm doing relaxing because my feet weren't so wet. I don't think much rain. Getting wet. Right now, I'm still waiting. It's taking a long time. That was just the first round of rain. That wasn't the actual. Oh shoot, it's gonna be a lot heavier than I thought. I thought it was already gonna be here. It's still coming. Oh, why didn't it? Dang, I forgot. There was gonna be a first round of moderate rain, which just passed. And then after that was the heaviness. And that's why all that lightning is getting closer. That heaviness should be here in about, I think 5, probably. Can you just go, bug? Oh, did I kill you? Rest in peace. Oh wait, never mind, he's alive. He's walking away. Thank you for walking away. Are you kidding me? Now you're walking back this way. That bug is getting annoying. Okay, then I'll have no choice but to continue the flood. The rain. Are you trying to lock the door?
No. What are you doing? I'm just messing with that.
I put it in the flood. It's barely even sprinkling. I'm trying to catch some good lightning. It's sprinkling. Okay, I can't do that. It's too wet. Where's my dog? I have another dog. She's probably. Is Allie asleep? The German Shepherd? The German Shepherd. Yeah. Jojo, that will ruin your phone.
Really?
Actually, your phone can be in water droplets, water resistant, but don't trust it. Oh, you're trying to get a slow-mo?
Alright, I wasn't recording.
Are you trying to get a slow-mo?
Yeah.
That'd be really cool. Oh, is that bug swimming? I don't know. I know I put it somewhere in the... Jojo, that's coming down too fast. Oh my god, yeah, the storm is going to be heavy. So I want you to end up breaking your phone. I got it, Jojo. Lesson learned. Don't put your phone in the rain.
Nice. Did you tell Jace to let me play with that laser pointer?
He's not going to listen.
Nice.
Doesn't matter what I tell him. He doesn't listen. Doesn't listen well.
He thinks I'm being mean to him.
He's actually the one being mean.
Yeah.
Just ignore him. I just feel bad for Jojo. He hasn't enjoyed one part of the sleepover. We were trying to have fun tonight, but we can't. He's trying to hang out with Cameron, but he can't have fun because Jace is bothering him and we ran out of ideas. We already had our fun. So now we're trying to have all of our fun before the bad weather starts. That's what, it was supposed to start at midnight, but it decided to start at 10:30.
Whatever. He said I'm gonna hit him in the head.
How did you hit him in the head?
No, I didn't. I was trying. I was using the laser. I was setting on his head. That's not hitting his head.
Oh my gosh, you just won't let me talk.
Dude, shut up.
Oh my god. This won't stop. It's like really annoying. Is this still coming? Oh, it changed. It's not gonna be as heavy, but oh my god, I hear them. Aerial flood advisory. So here's what's like right next to us. Oh, it broke up. But it's gonna still rain. So luckily on the bad part it's gonna miss. But it is still no, I wanted the heaviness of this. It's gonna be raining for hours. So it looks like it'll be raining until 2:45 in the morning. So it'll be raining all night. So anyways, I'm gonna wait for the heaviness, and right after that passes, I'm gonna end. Because it will not stop arguing. Like, it's annoying. Like, I wish Jace would just leave my friends alone. But he never does that. He doesn't know how to leave people alone. He always bothers them. 24/7. And when I mean 24/7, it is all day, every day. Me, my sister, my big brother, my parents, the dogs. I'm gonna go to a friend's house. He bothers Micah, Phoebe, our uncle, and their parents. And then go to Houston. He bothers our grandparents and Camden and I forgot the other one's name. Yeah, how did I forget the other one? But he argues with both of them. It's like, oh my god, he doesn't get along with anybody in this family. That's just the problem. Lightning struck within 5 miles. And then this weather alert and this weather app, it will spam. Keep saying it. It's just annoying. I just wish he'd get along with the family. He doesn't. He's the only one in the family who doesn't get along with anybody. The problem. It would just be very, very nice if he just got along with the family. But no. Oh my god, I hear Jojo fighting. not physically, it's just mentally. They're just arguing, not fighting, they're just arguing. God, it's all ending at 3:30. So let's get over an inch. I'm about to have to go inside, guys. I won't be able to record the rest because I'm gonna tell you to just shut up and leave him alone. So sorry guys, this video will be a little bit disappointing. It won't be the good videos. This video will just be kind of a... Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you. I won't be recording for a while. I'm gonna take a little break from YouTube for a while, but I will be back in probably about... Or not will, I'll just be back in like a week and a half. Something around there. I usually record in a week, you know, every week, but I might just take like a 2-week break, you know, because we're gonna be busy and stuff. So we're gonna start packing up. We gotta go shop for next month, you know, because next month we're going to Houston, and once we go to Houston, we're gonna try to go to Port Aransas, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So we're gonna go to Port Aransas, spend family there, go to the beach, you know. That's where my cousins went. Wow, 3 weeks ago. They came back from Port Aransas 3 weeks ago. And they went to San Antonio, Corpus. I had to go through Corpus just to get to Port Aransas. I like Port. What the heck? Okay. I hear somebody screaming. He's saying stupid dog in a Texas accent. Is he drunk? He says stupid dog. Something like that. He's speaking in a Texas accent. He sounds drunk. I don't know. He's saying stupid dog and I hear dogs barking in the background. Oh, that man knows that people are trying to sleep, you know. I don't know. I don't know. It's probably some drunk guy. Well, if it is, it's fine. I hear that every night. Well, if you're in my neighborhood. It's not a ghetto neighborhood. It's just with the neighbors, behind our house. They party every night. And they're new neighbors, so neighbors before didn't do that.
They're just being an idiot again.
To who?
He's just taking me on a wild goose chase to find some gun.
Don't find the gun. Like,
What?
He can go find it himself.
He's like, he hid it from me. He tried to hit me.
He tried to hit
Yeah,
me?
he tried to hit me. He was like,
I'll tell my parents tomorrow morning about it, okay? I will. Oh my gosh. I just wish she would stop fighting with my friend. He's in 4th and he's in 7th. Like, this is ridiculous. and this is every night for me, so it's not normal. I mean, it's often. It's not surprising. It's like every night. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Like, what he needs to do is just leave my friend alone. That's all he needs to do. Anyways, let's see if I can catch some good lightning in this storm. There's some really good lightning I've seen. So I'm gonna just try to catch a lightning bolt, and once I do, I will have to go in. Because all that heavy rain is actually gonna miss us. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up, and I will see you later. Bye.